Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to automatically finish the Steam 2022 Summer Sale quests right here to get the free points for Steam. As you can see, you're supposed to go through clues and go through all of that. However, we don't want to have to go through all that work, so I have a script for you right here that will finish it for you automatically. So first thing you're going to want to do is log into Steam on your Chrome browser, and next you're just going to get this link from my description and copy everything here. Inspect element, which is Control-Shift-I, go to console, paste it right here, and enter. You can go to network and you can see what's going on. It'll show when errors occur. Credit to troubleshoot for this video. Now make sure to stick around, as if things go wrong, I will show you what you need to do to fix it. We're now at 7 out of 10 badges. So it's now finished running, so if I refresh the page here, as you can see, I got all 10 badges. If you would have had an error, then inside of this code right here, you need to remove the lines for the ones that worked. So for example, you finished the first 8, you need to do the last 2, remove these lines and rerun it. Now, as you can see, this worked. If it helped you out and it worked for you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.